Welcome to Adaptive Living Space. Dreamy small apartment makeover on a budget. Cozy small space design. In this video, we explore how a small apartment can be transformed into a dreamy and cozy home without stretching your budget. This makeover is designed for everyday living, where comfort, warmth, and personality matter just as much as style. Through thoughtful planning and creative choices, we'll show how even the most compact spaces can feel inviting, functional, and beautifully designed. Every successful makeover begins with understanding the space itself. Small apartments often come with limitations such as narrow layouts, limited storage, or low natural light. Instead of fighting these constraints, we work with them. By carefully observing how the apartment is used day to day, we can design a layout that supports real living while maximizing every square meter. Before spending any money, it's important to define a design vision. For this makeover, the focus is on cozy simplicity, soft colors, warm textures, and a calm atmosphere. A clear concept helps avoid unnecessary purchases and ensures that every design decision contributes to a unified and relaxing space that feels intentional rather than cluttered. Designing on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing beauty, it means spending wisely. Instead of replacing everything, we prioritize high-impact changes like paint, lighting, and textiles. Refreshing existing furniture or rearranging the layout can make a dramatic difference. With a realistic budget plan, it becomes easier to achieve a polished look without overspending. Color has a powerful effect on how a small space feels. Light, warm neutrals help reflect light and make the apartment appear more open. Soft beige, creamy white, or gentle gray tones create a cozy foundation that works beautifully with natural textures. These colors also make it easier to layer decor without overwhelming the space. In a compact apartment, furniture must be chosen carefully. Pieces that are too large can quickly make the space feel crowded. By selecting slim, multifunctional furniture, we maintain comfort while saving space. Items like a compact sofa, nesting tables, or storage benches help keep the apartment practical and visually balanced. Even in a compact apartment, creating distinct zones helps the space feel organized and comfortable. Rugs, lighting, and furniture placement are used to define areas for relaxing, dining, or working. This method keeps the apartment open while giving each function its own identity, making daily life more enjoyable and efficient. Lighting is essential for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Instead of relying only on ceiling lights, we layer different light sources throughout the apartment. Table lamps, floor lamps, and warm-toned bulbs add softness and depth, turning the space into a cozy retreat, especially during the evening. Textiles are one of the easiest ways to introduce coziness on a budget. Rugs, curtains, cushions, and throws instantly make a space feel more comfortable and lived in. By choosing soft fabrics and neutral tones, the apartment gains warmth and texture without looking cluttered or heavy. Clutter can quickly disrupt the cozy feeling of a small home. Smart storage solutions help maintain a calm and organized interior. Decorative baskets, wall-mounted shelves, and furniture with hidden storage allow us to keep essentials out of sight while still being easily accessible. Wall decor brings personality and warmth into a small apartment. Simple artwork, framed prints, or personal photographs make the space feel like home. The key is moderation, choosing a few meaningful pieces that enhance the overall design without overwhelming the walls or making the room feel smaller. Plants bring life and freshness into any interior, especially small spaces. A few carefully placed plants can soften the look of a room and add a natural, calming element. Whether real or artificial, greenery helps create a cozy atmosphere and balances the clean lines of furniture and decor. DIY projects are a great way to personalize a space while staying on budget. Simple upgrades like painting old furniture, creating handmade decor, or updating hardware can make a big visual impact. These small efforts add character and uniqueness, making the apartment feel thoughtfully designed. Styling is the final step that brings everything together. Adjusting decor, refining layouts, and removing unnecessary items help the space feel balanced and peaceful. A well-styled small apartment feels intentional, cozy, and visually harmonious, allowing the design to truly shine. This small apartment makeover shows that a cozy, beautiful home is possible on any budget. With careful planning, smart choices, and creative styling, even the smallest space can become a warm and inviting retreat. Great interior design is not about size or cost, but about intention, comfort, and creating a place that truly feels like home.